Hi, Jonesy. Hi, baby. How's my baby girl? You're doing a little snoring. Good morning. Good morning.
Hey, Mommy, I don't want to go to school and everything.
Hi.
I don't want to go to school.
You don't want to go to school?
No.
What do you want to do?
I want to sit down with you.
Mommy's got to go to work. Good morning, Jonesy.
My eyes.
Jonesy, hi.
Just want you to call Aunt Connie so she can come.
Hi, Jones. Hi. Ta-da!
Mommy, I don't want to go to school.
Look at me, Buckaroo. What do you want to do instead?
I want you to call Connie and then so I can play with her.
Maybe after school.
No, I want to go to school. I don't want to. I don't want to go to school. Mommy,
Quinny?
I want to stay home. I'm starving.
There's your milk. You want your milk, please? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
I don't want to get school. I want to. Mommy,
I love you.
I don't want to go to school.
I love you.